Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make biscuit mix. To begin, gather your essential ingredients. You'll need 4 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of baking powder, and 1 teaspoon of salt. For that classic flaky texture, have 1 cup of cold, solid shortening ready. Always ensure your ingredients are fresh. This is key for light, fluffy biscuits every time. Having everything measured and prepared beforehand makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's combine our dry ingredients. Take a large mixing bowl and add the 4 cups of all-purpose flour. Next, incorporate the 2 tablespoons of baking powder and the 1 teaspoon of salt. It's crucial to whisk these together thoroughly. Sifting the mixture is a great way to ensure everything is evenly distributed and to prevent any lumps, which will contribute to a lighter, more consistent biscuit. The next step is crucial for flaky biscuits, incorporating the shortening. Take your 1 cup of cold, solid shortening and cut it into small, pea-sized pieces. Add these pieces to your dry ingredient mixture. Now, using a pastry blender or your fingertips, work the shortening into the flour until the mixture resembles coarse crumbs with some larger, pea-sized pieces remaining. This technique creates pockets of steam, resulting in those wonderful flaky layers. Once your biscuit mix is prepared, it's time for proper storage. Transfer the entire mixture into an airtight container. A large jar or a sturdy plastic container works perfectly. Store your homemade biscuit mix in a cool, dry pantry or cupboard, and it will remain fresh and ready to use for up to 3 months. This makes whipping up fresh biscuits incredibly convenient anytime you crave them. Also, for an amazing home upgrade, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. You can find a link to this and other great deals in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.